Today I am doing Ariessence under the eyes, and Ariessence is a new product that's platelet-derived growth factor. So basically, scientists have gone in and taken all the growth factors out of platelets and put them into a handy-dandy little vial so we can use it. So we can use it topically after big microneedling treatments or laser treatments. We can inject it under the eyes or in other places. We can inject it for the scalp as well, and it's shown really, really nice results. So I'm going to show you an under eye procedure. I have already done some lidocaine under our beautiful patient's eyes, and we're going to use a cannula. So I'm going to see, make sure that can you feel this? Okay. So I'm just going to go in my little spot to give me a little pathway in, because this is a blunt tip cannula, so without having a pathway in, I'd never be able to make it in. And we're going to get right in that little spot. You okay? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. You're doing great. I know it kind of feels a little weird. I promise I'm not going to poke your eye. Mm-hmm. And so this is something that works, that you can see right away. You can get some swelling tomorrow, but then over time, the growth factors are going to recruit the stem cells, your own natural stem cells, over to make brand new fibroblast, collagen, and elastin, and fibrin. All right. So this is just another option to PRF or PRP. We don't have to draw your blood at all for this one because it comes in a handy dandy little vial for us. It will help with dark circles. It helps with volume loss. How you doing? You okay?
Good. Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to go laterally here a little bit. There you go. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
And that little lateral really helps a lot. Mm-hmm. So her final results won't be for about 3 months, but you'll see some nice results now. I'd love if you take a picture tomorrow,
mm-hmm.
and then take a picture in a week,
yeah,
and then take a picture in a month.
Okay.
And then I would recommend doing this 2 times, so again in 8 weeks. One more time. Mm-hmm. There we go. One more little push right there. You got it. Okay, the eye's done. You okay?
Perfect. Yeah.
Does that hurt?
Mm.
It's a weird feeling with the cannula.
Yeah, but it's no pain.
Yeah. It's all. I feel like it's almost kind of like it has lidocaine in it, but it doesn't have lidocaine. You see?
Yeah, I couldn't feel anything. Like
perfect.
Pressure maybe, but
yeah. So look at that tear trough. Yay! And so a lot of this is going to absorb over the next day or so. So don't freak out tomorrow and be like, oh my God, where did I go? And if this little area right down underneath your eye gets really swollen, you can do a little antihistamine there.
Okay.
Sometimes it gets aggravated just from the cannula going back and forth. But as I go back and forth, because it's a blunt tip, it is also making you make collagen. So you can just already see the difference. It's really, really nice between the two. All right, let's check and make sure. Can you feel here? Oh, okay. Beautiful. Boop. All right. Got the other half of our Ariessence here. Mm-hmm. So this is the same way that I would inject tear troughs with filler too. I love doing cannula. I think it's a lot safer than doing needle. I know there's a lot of people that like to do needles. I'm not a huge fan of needles for tear troughs, but to each their own. Every injector has their own thing, their own way to do their craft. All right. Here we go. You okay? Mm-hmm. Awesome. Good. Excellent. And of course, you don't need to worry. A lot of people worry about different things with fillers in terms of migration and stuff like that. And migration really isn't a thing. It is an overfilling and a disbursement. So this is not filler, so it's not going to go anywhere. It's just going to make you make collagen. I don't want to say just, and it makes it sound like it's not a lot. It doesn't do a lot, but it does. All right, how you doing? Okay.
Good, yeah.
So why do people get darkness under the eyes? They get dark there because the skin is thin. And when you have thin skin, especially under the eyes, there's blood vessels underneath, and now you can see the vasculature more easily. So that's why putting something between your skin and the vasculature underneath, such as a filler or Ariessence or PRP or PRF, is helpful and makes the eyes brighter. So I did this on myself about 2 weeks ago, and so far I'm loving it. I just can't wait for the final results. I'm very excited. Awesome, you're all done.
Yay.
Good
Easy
job.
peasy.
Easy peasy. So now nobody's going to be the wiser that you did anything, just that you look brighter.
Yeah.
And then you're just going to wait for those results. And obviously you'll have results right now, but then they'll get better and better and better.
Yeah.
And then we'll redo it again in 8 weeks, and you'll be good for a whole year. So if you want to find out more about Ariessence or any of the over 60 procedures that we do at RejuvenationMD, you can find us on Facebook, Instagram, and on our website at rejuvenationmdmedspa.com.